Under boob sweat is a real thing. I'm sweating. So hot. Producer, the sun is in my eye. It's been in my eye for the... Can we fix that? What do you mean you can't fix that? What did she say? She wants us to remove the sun. That's not in the notes. That's not in the notes. Give me a pen. Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so excited for you to be here and for you to see this video. I put a lot of heart and stomach into this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, so that we can keep on being a family and growing as a community, growing as a family. I love family.
Except the kids downstairs are so loud.
I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, you are seriously a consistency queen. Thanks. What did I say in the last video? There's more to come, I hope. I hope I stick with my word this time. I promise I will try. I said something about this. Can't remember. And I'm so excited for this video. It is a 3-recipe. It's my breakfast, lunch, and a snack. And they're very yummy. If you guys try out these recipes, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram and comment down below your favorite recipe or something that you're really in the mood for. These recipes are super hearty, super filling, and they're not really necessarily healthy. So let me just shut up and let's get right into the video. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Okay, let's just dive into the first recipe, the oatmeal bowl. Of course, I can't forget my orange juice early in the morning. I have made a list of the ingredients with the corresponding measurements so that you can pause this video and refer back to it whenever you want. The milk that I used is skim milk, but of course you can substitute this with whatever other milk that you want, for example, almond milk. I set the stove to medium-high heat throughout the whole cooking process. You have to stir consistently because milk does burn, and I also make sure to wait for it to be boiling before I actually add in the oat flakes. The cooking process is actually really fast, about 5 minutes, even less. It just depends on how quick your oatmeal starts to thicken up and how thick you want it. I prefer it runny, which is why I even add extra liquids to it after it's done cooking. I do a thickening test. I just run the spoon at the bottom of the pot, and if I can see the bottom of the pot, that means it's done. This here is the cream, just to add a bit more thickness and creaminess. I do tend to add banana, but we didn't have any today, so I just had to settle with what we had. voila, dig in. Okay, up for our second recipe, we have a Thai curry. I use meat, veal, but you can definitely substitute this with chicken if you prefer, or perhaps even a non-meat substitute. I cut off a lot of the tenders and make the pieces smaller, but then I cut them even smaller after this process. I take the fresh ginger and I peel it with a potato peeler, which is the easiest for me. Then you just have to dice the ginger very finely. I'm not a big fan of cilantro because of the taste. It's like the devil's leaf, but in this case it does work really well, so don't forget to wash your cilantro. I cooked off the ginger only for about 1 minute maximum, and then I added the curry powder. The temperature it's cooking at is a medium heat, the medium setting on your stove. I do add the cilantro, it's very hot and it jumps, so be careful. Then I add half of the water indicated as well as the coconut milk, only 2/3 of the indicated measurements. Let it sit for just a few minutes, add the meat, and then I add the rest of the water. I then close the pressure cooker and allow it to sit and cook for 50 minutes at a low-medium heat. Meanwhile, I cook the rice, and then when the 50 minutes are done, I open up the lid, add the rest of the coconut milk, and season with salt and pepper. And we're done. It comes out delicious. So up for the last and third recipe, we have buttermilk pancakes. Buttermilk is not super accessible, so you can make your own very easily. All you have to do is add 500 milliliters of milk, then 4 tablespoons of lemon or vinegar. Let it sit for minimum 30 minutes and you will see how the milk just magically thickens up. You can't see, but in the little white ramekins, that's where I have my salt and my sugar. Make sure that you do the butter first because you're going to have to melt it and let it cool down. I weigh out all of my other ingredients, dry ingredients first, and then of course wet ingredients afterwards. I then mix my wet into my dry ingredients and make sure that my milk has sat for at least 30 minutes. You really don't want to overmix this mixture. It is supposed to be lumpy and clumpy. All you have to do is mix it the same amount of time it takes you to spell out the word pancake.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly.
Fry the pancakes at a medium heat, the medium setting, even medium high if you're getting a little bit impatient. You cook it on each side for only about 3 minutes, and that's it.
She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
These are not very sweet pancakes, so you definitely have to add your preferred sugar to it, and you can adjust the measurements if you'd like to make them a bit sweeter for your taste. These pancakes are fluffy and super worth the wait.
And that's all for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my social media. See you in the next video. I will try to make it soon. Are we done here, producer? Producer, are we done? Can we cut? Can we cut? Yeah.
She's a Mona